Hello. I know the video got cut like weirdly, so I realized it was too long. I don't know if I already said that, but I'm saying it again. So the video is made into two parts. This is the second part of the vlog. Yes, I own only 2 t-shirts and I wear them constantly. Don't tell me that's not you, it's all of us. Don't we all just wear like those 2 pairs or like maximum 3 that goes in to the laundry, and then the next day, or if you've had bath too late, take the other pair and you wear it and just constantly rotate these 3 pairs? Is it just me again? On to the video. Hello, so it's the morning and wait, let the light. Please stay like this. Okay, so it's the morning. It's around, not in morning, it's the afternoon. It's around 1:45. Just had some coffee and I thought I will tell you what I'm going to do today. I'm going to obviously make some ice cream now. Oh, I made this like real different kind of breakfast, not something I usually eat. So I've been watching a lot of random videos on YouTube as usual. So I came across, you end up finding these vegan diets and just like, oh my god, how different can it be from what you're making? Like, just like, oh, vegan salad. I'm just like, what? Then I realized only different things, majorly tofu and maybe the dressing that they're making. So I'm just like, let me also try something like fancy. So I was asking my mom, I'm like, what all? So I was asking my mom what vegetables are there. So she told me she bought some zook in the morning. That's my bell. I probably should go get it.
2,000 years later.
My mom what vegetables are there in this fridge. She told me she bought some zook in the morning. Sorry, I said zook. I'm usually used to saying zook at home because I'm just like, Mama, you bought some zook? She's like, yes, I bought some zook for you. I mean zucchini. So she bought this nice yellow one. She got like a really big one. So I'm just like, yes, can make lots of salads. And there were tomatoes, whatever you call it. So I cut them all up and then I pan roasted them because my oven's broken. Then I went and got some paneer because these vegans put tofu. I'm just like, sure, I'm not gonna go hunt for tofu. There's always paneer. Nandini paneer for the win, bro. Nandini paneer. Sorry. So I put some Nandini paneer, just like cut all of them up, pan roasted, just put some peri peri seasoning, some salt, some pepper. Then I found some pizza seasoning, so just put that. I'm just like, this is the best thing I've ever made. It did take a lot of time since my oven's broken, like I didn't already mention it, because if that was the case, I could have just like cut all of them up, seasoned them, put some oil and just put it in the oven for like 20 to 25 minutes. They all got like beautifully roasted. So I was doing it in the pan. It did take a little more oil and all of that, but come on, it's once in a while. So yes, I don't have pictures of it because I didn't really present it very well. So I think I'm remaking it because my dad's like, what are you eating, bro? So I think I'll like make it for him for lunch later on. So yes, that's been my day so far. And yes, for further in the day, as I said, I'm going to make some ice cream. Then I'm doing this online course, so maybe I'll do like 1 week's, I might finish this week's worth of course in that, and maybe like do like a little more of the second week. Has like a quiz at the end of every week and all of that, so I think I'll do that. So yes, so sorry, my face was like in the light. So yeah, that's about it for so far. If there's anything else, I will update you. Yes, I haven't had a shower early in the morning, like as soon as I woke up. You know, that's what I usually do because I had a second shower yesterday in the night because my hair was getting super greasy and so I took a head bath in the evening because I felt super icky. So I think I'll have a late shower today as well. And as you can see, oh my god, my hair is like sitting in a good way. Okay, this is not the best representation of it, but let me check. Hello, so I'm finally making some banana ice cream. There's nothing much you have to do. You just have to like cut up some fresh banana, put it in the freezer for a couple of hours, or you can. There is this other method where you can freeze the banana and cut it later, but I feel that's a whole thing and a half. So I just like pre-cut it and then freeze it off. You can also freeze it overnight, but there isn't much of a difference that I've observed in like freezing a couple of hours and this. So just cut it up, put it in the mixie. So just cut it up, put it in the mixie. This time I'm trying something new. I thought I'll make a chocolate version. So instead of putting some cocoa powder, I'm just putting in some Bournvita because I just like Bournvita and it's still chocolate flavored. So I'm just like, ooh, chocolate flavor, let me just try it. So yeah, let's get on to it. So as you can see, I did 50-50. The darker color one is the frozen banana that I chopped, and the lighter color one is the fresh one that isn't frozen. So I'm just going to blend it. So yeah, one stupid mistake I did was I thought I'll have more banana at home, but no, clearly not. So I just took in the bigger blender. I shouldn't have put such a big blender. So yes, let's blitz and then I'll add some Bournvita. So I just blitz some and then I'll add some Bournvita. Yes, pig you can say. I don't use a spoon, I just like throw it like this. And I just heavy chocolate. So yes, that's something there. Just regular Bournvita. And yeah, I will give it enough. So I put in 2 bananas and that's how much. It's barely anything. So I'll just like stick it in the fridge now. It's like, you know, carefully. Yeah, I'm just like sticking it in the fridge now. Carefully finding a place for it. So cream update. I finished making it like at 2:30 and it's 5 now. Oh, it's almost time to end the vlog. Nice. So yes, I have a fork in my hand, so I'm just going to like show you how texture is. Wait. Yeah. So the texture of the ice cream is quite slushy like, and maybe you can like leave it in for some more time. But yeah, it's mostly what's going to become light. Maybe I should leave it overnight, but it is divine. Clean spoon, always. So yeah, I think I'll go film the outro now. Hello and welcome. So back to my kitchen escapade. I'm like cutting some zook, like I said, some zook because I'm fancy. I would say zook, and you can start saying it too because zook's the mom. Yeah, so I'm just like cutting some zook. I will keep saying zook, so I'll give you some updates. I'm not going to like make a montage and all that because dude, you know how to cut your veggies. Come on, go up. Cut some zook and I would like let it pan fry. Next I have some tomatoes, again circular cut. I'm going to pan roast them again. Sorry if the camera gets foggy because it's sort of smoking. Yep, so just pan roast this. Or fish a feather into half. That's fine. Just going to roast. Make sure like all of them are equally spread. Since my oven's not working, like I've already mentioned 20 times, that's why I'm doing this. Or just put it or just coat it in some light oil, salt, pepper, throw it in the oven for 20 minutes, 25 minutes max. You will see like a beautiful browning happening. Just go and flip it halfway so it's easier then. Then back to tomatoes. Bye. That's halfway. So now this is the fried zook. Got some fried tomatoes here and there. They're a little too much, but yeah, I'm pretty happy. And then I've got some paneer, and I'm gonna like try plating. What's the other cup? Right, try plating. So yeah, I've just seasoned it with some salt, pepper. I have to still do it, and this I'm gonna put some peri peri on it, so it tastes like real good. Right now everything's just salted. I'm gonna add some pepper, and I ended up making 2 versions of it. This has the roasted tomatoes, the zucchini, and I have roasted ridgegourd, or if you speak Telugu or Kannada, hirekai, beerkai, that in between. And here is the other one that I made for breakfast, and I made like 2 bowls of this and 1 bowl of this because my grandma said she didn't want paneer. She just like chopped up some ridgegourd. So this has tomatoes, paneer and then some zook. It's all lightly tossed in salt and pepper, but the paneer I put salt, pepper, and then I did put some peri peri. You don't have to necessarily put salt if you're using peri peri, because it already has some salt. You can add some pepper though. Yeah. So yes, see you next time. Hi. So it's the end of my 24 hours, I guess. I don't really think so. I think I start filming at like 5:30. The time now is oh, hi Barsha. I'm sorry. It's almost 5. I don't think I'm going to do anything else today except like go study a little for the online course, which I said since the beginning of the day that I'll be doing, but I didn't. So I guess that's it for today. I'm going to send this to my editor. He already has like 20 videos and segments of mine to vlog from, which I'm going to like make him cut off at the end anyways. Be like, Chichi, no, it's fine. So yes, that's about it for today. I hope you had a nice day. I had a nice time filming. I realized vlogging is a pain. I would like to do it in the future, but it's a thing and a half. Don't know why I keep saying that. It's been forever and a half, thing and a half, something and a half. But yes, something. I've been saying it for too long. Okay, I've been rambling for 1.5 minutes now. So this is the outro of this video. I think I should become like one of those YouTubers. Oh shit, I completely forgot to. No, I'm genuinely doing it. Trust me, it's so much work. I'm not complaining. It's just it is work. Okay, I'm just going to ramble now. So before I start doing too much of that, I'm going to cut. So yes, like, share, comment, subscribe. Share is a doubtful thing because I'm mostly sending this video link to most of you. Like, please watch, bro, new video, bro, new video, watch, okay, watch. Tell me how it goes. But yes, so like, comment, subscribe. Nobody comments anymore. I'm just like, fine, most of you just DM. It's nice to hear from you too.